Introducing our Airtight Food Storage Container Set, the ultimate solution for organizing your kitchen pantry and keeping your food fresh. With its space-saving design, durable construction, and user-friendly features, this set is a must-have for every household. One of the key features of our container set is its space-saving design. These square containers have been specially designed to minimize space, making them stackable and easy to fit into your refrigerator or freezer. Say goodbye to cluttered pantries and hello to an organized kitchen. The set includes 7 different containers to meet all your storage needs. It consists of 1 tall container, 1.9 liters, 2 medium containers, 1.2 liters, 2 small containers, 0.8 liters, and 2 mini containers, 0.5 liters. You can store a wide range of food items, including flour, grains, beans, nuts, snacks, and even liquids like water and soup. We prioritize the safety and quality of our products, which is why these containers are made from high-quality, BPA-free, impact-resistant ABS plastic material. The sealing silicone on the lid is also made from food-grade silicone, ensuring that your food stays fresh and free from contaminants. The clear plastic of these containers allows easy identification of the contents without the need to open them, saving you time and effort. Our containers feature an airtight sealing mechanism that keeps your food fresh for longer. With just 2 fingers, you can safely open and close the containers by flipping the ring. Flip it up to open and flip it down to lock and seal. It's that simple. To make your organization even easier, we provide free labels and a marker with this set. You can label each container to ensure that you never confuse different food items again. No more mistaking flour for powdered sugar or baking powder for baking soda. Rest assured, this product is designed for use in the US. However, please check compatibility before purchasing if you are planning to use it internationally. In summary, our Airtight Food Storage Container Set is the perfect solution for kitchen pantry organization and food preservation. Its space-saving design, durable construction, and user-friendly features make it a must-have for every home. Get yours today and experience the convenience of a well-organized kitchen.